what are factors? Welcome to our section of factors, multiplies, and prime numbers. Now we're going to spend the section not only understanding these three concepts, but also improving your number strategy in general. Now let's look at some basic principles and vocabulary of factoring. Let's look at number 30. What are the factors of 30? To find them all, what we do is ask ourselves what numbers equals to 30? Well, we can start by 1 times 30 equals to 30, 2 times 15 equals to 30, 3 times 10 equals to 30, 5 times 6 equals to 30. Easy, isn't it? So the factors of 30 will be 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 10, 15, and 30. Some important things you need to know is that first, every whole number in the world will always have at least two factors, one and itself. Second, factors are always whole numbers. This means no decimals, no fractions, and no reminders. For example, if we take 4 times 7.5, that equals to 30. So you can say 4 and 7.5 will make 30. But because 7.5 is not a whole number, we can't consider it as a factor. Let's talk about factor pairs. All of these are called factor pairs. Now, factor pair just means two of these factors, and when multiplied together, they will be equal to 30. So even though 5 and 10 are both factors of 30, they're not factor pairs, because if you multiply them together, 5 times 10 will be equal to 50, not 30. So 5 is a factor pair with 6 and 10 is a factor pair with 3. So finding factors, it can be so simple, but it does get challenging when you have big numbers like 528 or 1832. So that is when we go for testing for divisibility, which we will look at in the next video.